Hello, everyone. I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel, intuitive astrologer, and soul coach. And I'm here because I have a great class I want to talk to you about that I'm going to be offering during October. It's called Go Pro Tarot 2024. If you missed this awesome 3-session class that I offered for the first time last year on an invitation-only basis, or if you were able to take it, but want to come back and do it again and go deeper, now's your chance. People have talked about this for a year. You may have heard so much about it and been waiting for it, hoping that I'd offer it again. And when you found out, if you did take it, how valuable it was, you've probably been waiting for it to come around again. And I have heard you. I've been listening. So, folks, you've learned the cards. You've practiced on your friends and your family. You've even got lots of positive feedback because you are so very, very good and going to get better too. You've got people encouraging you now to go pro, or maybe you've already gone pro and you want to scale and develop your clientele to a bigger level. Perhaps you've begun your own business as a tarot reader or an intuitive coach using the tarot, and you want to expand it. You just want to become better and better and better in every way. You see, the tarot is in your blood now, isn't it? You yearn to become more skilled, to develop your expertise, to become the very best that you can be. You feel like you want to be knowing everything that there is to know about the tarot, and you want to use it to help people. You know you can do that. You do want to be able to do that tarot professionally. And one day to develop an extensive client list of loyal customers who will return again and again and again and recommend you to others because they truly appreciate your work, your gift. You dream of your own business and of being freed from the 9-to-5 grind of working for someone else. Folks, this is possible. You can do it. I've done it myself. I know how to do it. And that's why I put together this very special 3-part class. This is an extension of the course that I offered last year. That was by invitation only. So it isn't exactly the same class. It builds on that class. As a matter of fact, you're going to be receiving the copy of that class on MP4 when you register for this class. So that class becomes a foundation to this class. Wow, did I just say that? You get this class, you get that old other class as a free gift, the first one. Wow. Yes, I said that. So in this year's class, you're going to be practicing and studying with other people who are as committed to mastering the art of the tarot as you are. There'll be a lot of actual in-class, hands-on work with the cards. This is going to be both an individual and a group coaching class with lots and lots and lots of practice and individualized attention. We're going to be an intimate group of people who are going to support one another as we work through challenges, blocks, insecurities, fears, knowledge deficiencies. You're going to receive amazing guidance and coaching from me and my guides as you work through all the issues that you and the other folks in the class bring to be healed. You're even going to learn how to use the tarot cards to channel your own guides. Each of the people in my Go Pro Tarot class, my Go Tarot group, will bring with them their own experiences, including their successes and their failures. We'll talk about them. We'll talk about yours. We'll talk about whatever we need to find solutions together. This is on target to be one of the best learning experiences you've ever had. I am so looking forward to it. I'm excited. This year's class is going to focus on a few things that I want to make it the core of the program. And after that, I can go anywhere you need it to. We're going to improve your knowledge base. There'll be a growth of your expertise through actual practice readings. We're going to talk about them. We're going to go into an in-depth. We're going to expand on them. You're going to learn more card meanings and applications and literally working with the cards, expand your capability of being comfortable with them. We're going to answer any questions you have on anything that's tarot related. We'll talk about how to develop and work with your clients. That's a whole area of its own and doesn't get touched on enough in the field of tarot reading. We're going to talk about where to do your readings, how to set them up, how to make your clients comfortable, how to work with difficult clients, how to create that bond with a client without creating dependency that makes them want to come back and work with you over and over and over and over again long term. Not from dependency, but for personal growth. We're going to talk about how to set up your tarot reading business or your tarot coaching business. My guides and I are going to help you to overcome any fears you have regarding anything that you might encounter in your readings or your tarot business and more. This class, folks, is going to go anywhere that you and the group need it to. Recordings will be provided, so you don't need to worry about missing a class. It's best that you attend in person, but if you live somewhere on the planet where it's really impossible to get here, I've had students do this class totally through the recordings. You just send me your questions and the things you need to learn ahead of time. We make sure that we cover them in those classes. This very special class group session is going to be open to anyone who has already learned the basic meanings of the cards. It'll be helpful to aspiring pros of all levels of experience. This is the perfect time for this class. We're going to meet Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll start on October 10th. We'll continue through October 17th and conclude on October 24th. By the time we finish, you'll have the skill, the expertise, and the confidence to begin scheduling those Halloween readings and parties. The cost of this class is only $150, and I promise you it'll be worth every penny of that to you and more. Or I will cheerfully refund a refund within the first 30 days after the class has begun. So sign up before October 3rd. That's early sign up, and you'll get an additional $25 off. Last year's returning students will get a $50 discount right off the top. You can't go wrong with this class, folks. The timing is right. I'm so looking forward to seeing you and working with you. This is definitely time to move to your next level with the tarot. Regardless of your confidence, your expertise, your skill or knowledge level, or the issues that you're experiencing in your existing tarot business now, this class will help you to achieve the breakthroughs that you're yearning for. You have my promise. Contact my assistant Lisa at lisasainc@aol.com for your invoice right now. And don't forget, stop by my website, www.sandyanastasi.com, and find out more about me and my work and my VIP membership and my upcoming classes of all kinds. Oh, and don't forget to sign up for my free newsletter and my free psychic hour. It's coming up quite soon. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in class. I can't wait to work with you. We've got a lot to do together. Goodbye for now.